This is the sump pump, which holds most of the capacity of water. 35. What is that actually? 45 gallons. And this is the pump. Pumps it up. Now we're putting in our box. Get some O2 there in the water. Get this air stones going. Changing pumps, so we pulled it all. I'm pulling it all apart and changing the pumps and doing the air stones. We're also gonna have one runs to the fish tank set up here. I just haven't sunk it yet. Trusty rocks. This is it's gonna hold the duckweed. See that? That's a red bin there. Water. It's got a screen in the top of that there, so you can, or so the duckweed won't go through. Some will go through, but the fish, if it drains on the fish will be very happy about that. We just don't want to keep going to our filter. So actually, and I'm saying that we're gonna have to put a on that screen on this part too. But what does get through will be caught. And here in this box we have all our filters. This thing again drains down into the